Welcome to your Monday Morning Pearl. I'm Steve Keck. So often, as leaders and salespeople, we think we have to come up with an original way in order to make new sales. But true originality is actually false. There's very little in this world that is truly original. What you think is most original is most likely a recombination of other ideas. So today, I want to talk to you about building recombination into your sales strategy as the environment changes. 2,000 years ago, the wisest person on earth said this: there's nothing new under the sun. And when it really comes down to it, there are very few ideas that actually come from pure originality. And so I want you to think about your success is a recipe of recombination of old ideas. What you're trying to do is become excellent in recombination. So what does it take to become excellent at recombination? First, you need a library of ideas. You need to broaden your approach to understand what other people have done so that you have a greater pool of ideas to combine. Secondly, you need to test them. Get out in the field, see what works, see what approach might be giving you better success. You might find 2 or 3. And third, make this a habit. And environments are always changing, and so your success recipe probably will need to as well. Recombination of ideas beats originality every time. So give yourself and your team the best chance of success by becoming an expert at recombination. If you or your team need some guidance on how to build better libraries of ideas and how to implement a testing process for those ideas, reach out to us. We love helping sales teams design winning process. You can find us on our website or one of our social channels.